Hi, this is an instructional video on how to run your Genesis heat pump. Please be mindful this video is designed for people with heat pumps installed inline with their filtration system. The first step is to turn the heat pump on at the power point on the wall. Now you can see a display where you have an inlet and an outlet temperature. This is the default off position. You can also see a lock icon on the touchpad. So the first thing you'll need to do is unlock the touchpad. You do this by pushing the power button down and holding it down until you hear an audible beep and the lock goes away. So we've removed the lock, and now we're going to turn the touchpad on via the power button on the touchpad. And you can see the setting on the touchpad has changed to the default on position. Okay, so the touchpad is now on and the heat pump is now on. The next thing we're going to do is set the current time. The way that you do that is by pushing down the clock button until the time itself is flashing. The next thing we do is we push the clock button again. The hours will flash. Now you can adjust the hours using the up and down arrows. So you can see I've set the hours to 9 o'clock. Now I'm going to push the time button again and bring it across to minutes. Now the minute icon is flashing, and you can use the up and down arrows again to adjust the minutes to the correct time. So now I've set the correct time. The next thing I need to do is push the time button once more to lock the time. The next thing we're going to do is set the set point temperature, which will get the pool to a specific temperature. So you need to adjust the up and down buttons to get the pool temperature to where you want it to be. And you can see the icon changes from an inlet temperature to a set temperature. So we're going to change the temperature to 30 degrees. That's now set for 30 degrees. The next button we're going to look at is the mode button or the gear button. This is the second button next to the power button. This button will allow you to change the different heating and cooling modes. To do this, simply push this button. So now we are in low heating mode, denoted by the sun. Push it again. A triangle appears. This is an automatic mode. This switches automatically between heating and cooling. Now we are in normal cooling. That's denoted by the NE, which is normal, and then the cooling symbol, which is a frost symbol. We'll push it again. It's in high cooling now. We push it again, we're in low cooling. We push it again, we've returned back into a heating mode, but we are in normal heating. Push it again, and we've come back to the high heating mode. So now we've set the current time, we've set the heating mode that you want. We've also set the set point that we're trying to get the pool to reach. And that's it. Once all that's done, the heat pump will turn on, and you'll see the word fan come on in the corner, and you'll also see the heat pump fan itself spinning. The heat pump is now on and you are heating. On your heat pump, we have a service sticker with a QR code. So if you do happen to lose your paper manual for the unit, you can scan the QR code. It will take you straight to the website, to the most up-to-date user manual for the unit. So I've scanned that QR code on my phone with my camera, and it's taken me directly to an electronic copy of the user manual for this heat pump.